Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
This is Weasley. On today's Saturday Liqueur episode, we're talking about Van Meer's and their Tiramisu release. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell me a little bit more about this particular Van Meer's?
All right. Look at this beautiful Van Meer's here. It's got a pretty windmill with a tiramisu on the front. Isn't that nice? All right. As you know, we did the history of Van Meer's with the stroopwafel we did a few months ago. It, of course, is based in Holland from the Van Meer's bakery, developed there to taste like the original dessert made in Italy. It's generally enjoyed as an after-dinner drink over ice. Yay! Let's see what we think. It'll be 14.9%, so huge alcohol content.
Yeah, it's very, very sweet on the nose. It is.
Yeah, it's cream.
But it is pretty classic tiramisu.
Yeah, sugar.
I'm getting a dark rum, a very high sugar content. I'm getting that glaze that goes on top of it.
There's lady fingers, that milk chocolate, vanilla, kind of like an eggnog nose to it.
Eggnog. Yeah, Matt, that's a good one. Yeah, that one that kind of just hits it right on the nose with that eggnog.
Yeah, totally. It smells really good.
Extra cinnamon plus a little bit of extra added sweetness.
Definitely.
This is definitely in the sweeter category of smells.
Yeah, you smell no alcohol in this whatsoever. I mean, this could be dangerous.
I don't know. I get a little bit, about as much as I get on a lot of wines. It's just kind of floating there in the background. Not super high, but just kind of in there. It wasn't enough to where the cat was, turning his nose up at it. So
yeah, exactly.
It smells a little bit too sweet for my palate, though. I was not wrong.
Yeah, I didn't figure you really care for this, but that tastes verbatim like tiramisu. They did a really, really good job making it taste like tiramisu. I mean, you taste the lady fingers, the chocolate, the little the coating, Madagascar vanilla, the cream and sugar,
and then there's just that little bit of alcohol bit in there that actually gives it some.
A lot of times I'll see restaurants also pour rum over their tiramisu. So this has that nice bit of oomph to it as well, which is really, I would love to have this with a piece of tiramisu. I think it'd be wonderful.
Yeah.
I wish I had some for this review, but I don't.
The combination of the two flavors. Wow.
It warms your belly a little bit.
Yeah. It is clingy. If you put this over a whole bunch of ice and just served this to somebody, they would drink the whole thing and be in heaven for a short period of time.
Yeah, it's the consistency of eggnog too. It's that same clingy, thick. I really like this a lot. It's just really good. And it's $10. That's the other good thing. It's super cheap. So you can't really beat the price. Flavor's really good. That's good stuff. And Weasley apparently likes the way it smells.
This is our trash panda. He eats basically anything from corn to green beans to chicken and pizza. He'll eat basically anything. So he seems intrigued by the smell.
Which is unusual, but good job, Weasley.
It's cat approved. What can I say?
There we go.
All right, everybody. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Join the conversation. Become part of the community. Until next time. Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's really good. I really like that. Quite tasty. Especially for $10. Good deal. Talking to the cat.
Yeah, he's still sitting right there just staring at me.
He's like, come on, you got something for me.
Like that, huh? Oh, yeah. You like that one, don't you?
Oh, really? Interesting.
This is the first one he's actually followed the glass to smell more of it.
That's shocking.
For real. Oh, this one's cat approved.
Apparently so. I don't need that.
How about that?